First go to the file and choose open. Select this image, click open. Now take the ellipse tool, select the shape option, set the stroke color to white. Now create a loop like this. Increase the stroke size to 35 pixels. Click enter. Now go to layer style and choose drop shadow. Choose the yellow color here. Follow the settings. Click OK. Now right click and choose rasterize layer. Take the eraser tool and remove the excess part with the eraser tool like this. Now go to the adjustment layer options and select solid color adjustment layer. Select the yellow color here. Click OK. Go to blend modes and choose overlay. Now select the mask thumbnail. Press Ctrl I to invert the layer mask. Take the brush tool. Set the foreground color to white. Brush the areas where you want the light to be created. Select the main layer. Go to the adjustment layer options and choose color lookup. Here select the moonlight look. Select the mask thumbnail. Press Ctrl I to invert the layer mask. Take the brush tool. Set the foreground color to white. Now darken the main layer like this. Let's see the final result.